3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, we all gotta post it.
Hello to our 15 followers on Instagram.
What the hell?
What's up, Lars the T-Bros? Welcome back to another video. Today we're unboxing the merch we got from the 2023, actually that's the wrong year, 2022-2023 marketing competition win, because we're just demons like that. 2 wins in 3 years. Where's 9? I need 9.
We win.
Uh-oh. Okay.
Rusty, what did you think was gonna happen?
Oh, whoa, it's spilling out the back.
Okay, guys.
Well, I mean, like, don't take out the front.
No.
So the first thing we got are hoodies. Oh, we need a model. Someone should model everything.
Better.
Yeah, that one's
Hat for
high.
you.
Rocking the merch.
Hat.
Oh yeah, you got the
So
sticker.
many hats.
What?
You got the barcode.
Oh, I do? Oh, I forgot about
Another
that.
hoodie.
I didn't even know that was on there.
Alright, then we got water
Dude, that's
bottles.
part of the fashion, the barcode.
You want to drink some water, Alex?
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me.
And we're gonna have me pulling the water bottle out, okay?
I don't think it fits you very well.
Wait, this is show the camera.
Show the camera.
Bruh.
Alright, folks.
Okay, the hat fits now.
What else is in here?
Oh!
We're suing them.
Alright.
There's more than 9.
Then we got mouse pads.
Oh, hey, look.
Nice. Alright, and they're all gone already.
They're
What else
all
we got
mine.
Can I see them?
Okay, thanks for real TARC. These are actually pretty cool.
Is this your,
Don't worry,
is
guys.
this Alex's
Vistaprint.
replacement?
2024 is
Oh, yo,
your
Cole
year.
Johnson's out.
We can print what you need to make it happen.
He's one of my friends from Purdue.
Wow.
Hey Cole. Whoa!
Get
No
them away.
viewers.
Maybe I just.
Oh!
Look at this.
probably
This is the content you guys signed up for, right? No viewers. No
See,
viewers.
we're just built different. They don't make content like we do anymore.
have.
Where's the knife,
I got
Rusty?
an idea. Halftime intermission, guys.
This video is sponsored. What are we sponsored by?
Vistaprint.
Vista. Are we sponsored?
No.
No.
Got him!
Shout
video
out
is sponsored by
to
TARC.
Savannah at TARC. And I don't know who, Justin from, what was the company? 2046 Design.
No,
Maybe.
2048.
I think
Oh,
we're
it's
not
not
sponsored by
That concludes our halftime.
Revenge. Good job. The Virgin TARC poster versus Landon.
Dang!
Yeah.
Alright, guys. Landon Busher, the big dog media. I have the media. What is he? Avionics lead. He does media and he made this beautiful poster.
Oh yeah.
Ah, crap. We lost our viewers again?
Because that way is like a decent.
Yeah.
Start rapping, buddy. What are we waiting for?
Block is 4. -1, that's free.
Let's go. 35. You could do.
Alright. Okay, Lars the T-Bros. What? Okay, Lars the T-Bros. That concludes our unboxing, I think. So. Alright. What's up, Lars the T-Bros?
I'm not recording.
Bruh.
You were actually recording. Now I'm just gonna have
Yeah, okay, here, we're starting now.
What's up, Lars the T-Bros? We realized after editing that we didn't really ever display the actual merch itself. So I figured I might as well run through everything that we got to show that we are truly grateful. So this is a beautiful shirt. It's got this fat logo on it. It's kind of nice. The shirt's comfy. I'm just saying. This hat is pretty nice, but I don't wear hats, so, you know. I'm going to Astral Orbit University, baby. And then there's a hoodie. Oh, I messed that up. It's alright.
They can't see your ginger hair anymore.
That's alright. The hoodie actually comfy for real.
You look like a completely different person.
Yeah, because I'm going to Astral Orbit University. It changed me. I'm a different man now.
You look 3 years younger.
Do I look back to normal now?
Yeah.
Okay. This is why I don't wear hats. Because I look like I'm 12. Wait. That's 13. Anyways, I don't know why I just leaked my age. This is a mouse pad. I actually love the mouse pad. Because if you see there's the white and there's the gray. But you can't notice it, but then it like blends into the blue. So that's pretty cool. Also, the logo's sick. As we mentioned. Thanks to Justin.
2046 design.
There's this little magnet. I didn't even know we were going to get magnets, but they're actually like nice. I don't know what else to say about it. And then there's this water bottle, which is like... Oh! See, now they're not going to understand why I just put a pebble in there.
It's funny.
That's fine, I won't explain it. This is like the grand prize, though. Is this beautiful poster. I mean, come on. Like, give me a break. This is just a work of art. So thanks to Landon Busher for this one. Thanks to Justin at 2046 Design for the logos. Thanks to Savannah at TARC for working all the logistics out. And thanks for all those people on the poster.
Peace out.
Peace out.